guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chivera here, and today guys I am so excited about today's content because I love the building I'm going to show you. If you're looking to buy a house in Enugu, this is a place you should be looking at because the houses here, they are amazeballs, they are amazing, they're very dope. I don't know the adjective I'm going to use to qualify this place. I came into this building and I fell in love. Like, if I had money, literally I'll be a proud house owner in this estate. So guys, I'm at a mini estate in Independence Layout, Enugu. This estate comprises of 8 single duplexes. 6 of the duplexes sit on a 450 square meter piece of land, while the remaining 2 at the corner piece, which I'll show you, are sitting on 500 square meters piece of land. So guys, this estate is guarded by a central security by a trained security personnel from a well-known institution here in Enugu. Also, it has a mini mart which supplies all the residents of this estate of essential goods and products needed by them. The estate also has street lights for security purposes at night, and for the water supply, it is supplied by a central overhead tank behind me, which you see shortly. And for the buildings, each of these apartments here has 4 bedrooms, double living room, kitchen, store, and every other thing which you see inside. And like I promised you, this building is amazing. The apartments are very beautiful. If you want to see what's inside of it, keep watching and let's go inside to check things out for ourselves. Let's go. So guys, this is the security house where the security personnel will be staying once everything is ready. And of course I can't go inside this house because it is locked. So guys, over here, this is the mini mart where residents of this estate will be buying all the essential products and goods whenever you move in here. So this is it. And of course it is locked because no one has moved in yet. So let's get into it. Let me show you the corner piece plot which I talked about. So guys, this is the Cornerpiece compound I told you about. This particular building sits on a 500 square meter. As you can see, the compound is quite larger than the others there because it's on the Cornerpiece land. And on this compound, as I can see, can take up to 5 cars. And if you have a ceremony, I'm sure you'll be looking for a space, for your ceremony. So that's all for this place. Let's get into the main building. Guys, this is one of the compounds in this estate. This compound sits on 450 square meters like I told you, and it's large enough. It can contain up to 4 cars. And just as we want to walk right in, I'll be showing you everything inside this apartment. And bear in mind that everything you see in this apartment is a replica of everything in other apartments in this estate. There is no addition, no removal, no subtraction, nothing. So let's just get into the apartment. So guys, this is the anteroom. This is where you wait before you get into other places. But over here, there is a guest convenience. Okay, so let's move over to the first room downstairs. Come on. So guys, this is the first room. This is the guest room, and it's nice. It's spacious. There are 2 windows here. Everything is well fitted. This is the wardrobe. Okay, so if you're a guest, better not come with a whole lot of things here. So this is the wardrobe, and these are the shelves and everything. So let's take a look at the convenience. Alright guys, so let's move over to the living room. Welcome to my living room. That is this house is mine. So guys, this is the living room, and everything is nice here. I love the lighting, I love the POP design, and you just come in here and furnish it to your taste. But basically this is the living room, and let me show you the dining room. So here is where you will be dining with your family. Let's move to other parts of the apartment. Alright, so this is the kitchen. Alright guys, so having seen the kitchen, the store and everything downstairs, let's move to the upper part. So guys, you're at the upper part of the room now, and I'm just thinking of the first place we go. But you know what? Let's get to see the living room upstairs. Let's go. So this is your private living room upstairs, and interestingly, it has a balcony, of course. So let's look at your view from outside. I hope you're impressed guys so far. So let's get to the bedroom so you see other beautiful structures here. So guys, this is the master bedroom. It is the biggest of all three rooms here. Yeah, it is. And it has a bigger wardrobe as you can see. Bigger closet, whatever you choose to call it. Depending on where you're gonna have this place. Also, it has its own balcony over here, which is sort of locked, but you can see what's going on around there if you stay in this room. And let's check the bathroom. Guys, so I'm sorry for the darkness in the bathroom. That is because there is no light, and as you can see, each of the bathroom, all of the bathroom here has its own heating machine or water heater. It has the bathtub, the overhead shower, and a mirror, wash and basin, WC, and all the interesting things. This is the second room upstairs, which is adjacent to the master's bedroom. It basically has everything, a big wardrobe, which I'm looking at right now, and you know, a fancy bathroom. But the only difference between this room and the last room we just saw is the absence of the balcony. This room does not have its own balcony, but it has a wonderful wardrobe and a very lovely bathroom. They come and see. Let's go to another room. I'm loving this whole house, guys. I am deeply loving the whole house. Just keep coming. So, guys, this is the third room upstairs, and it's looking smaller than the other ones we saw, but still nice. So let's look around it. Okay guys, let's go to the last room upstairs. Oh, let's go. You know guys, something I like about every room in this house is that it is well lit. If I'm living in this apartment, guys, I'll be making back-to-back videos every day because lighting is not my problem. I'll be taking cute pictures of my beautiful self. So guys, this is the last room of this house upstairs. And there are two windows, the POP is nice, the lighting is nice, and the tiles are beautiful as well. Of course, you have your mini closet here. Yeah, this is something nice as well. And for your bathroom, you have a bathtub as well. Unlike the last room we went to, there is no bathtub, but here there's a bathtub. So come and see that. So let me show you one last picture upstairs and we'll call it a day. Let's go. This is another anti-room here. You can do whatever it is you want to do with this space. It's actually nothing here. And here leads to your, let's say, back view balcony here. So let's see what's here. Okay, interesting. Over here leads to another person's compound, so but it's very airy here, guys. Can you feel the breeze? Like, yeah, I love the breeze. I love the breeze. Yeah, more of that. Wow, it's very airy here because there are lots of trees behind this building, and you know, just go and see things for yourself. Here will be serving as a very good relaxation spot as a result of these trees, you know. So I think that's all for today. Let's go downstairs. Hey guys, we've come to the end of today's vlog and tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed this building. If you're interested in buying this house, please drop your comments below or write me at my email address, which I'll be leaving in the description box. Like I told you, this house, it is situated at Independence Lounge at very close to Average Bank bus stop. The landmarks close to this place include the Michael Obara Square, Spa Shopping Mall, the State INEC office, Fontana Hotel, Residency Hotel. These are places that could direct you to this place. You know, you have an idea of where this house is located at. Each of these buildings has prepaid meter already installed. There are 5 bedrooms here. There's an overhead tank, a ground floor tank, and other interesting things in this building. And the apartment I just showed you is a replica of everything in other buildings. There is no addition, no subtraction, like I told you. And I hope you guys will be interested in buying this building. And lest I forget, this house goes for 70 million naira. It is up for sale, not for rent. So with 70 million naira, you'll be a homeowner in this estate. So guys, thank you for watching today's vlog. If you're enjoying it, like it, share it, drop a comment below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't.